Welcome back to another OTD case unboxing. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2025, yes, 2025 Pop Culture M case. So this is actually a case that came over from Stop Diecast a little ways back, probably at least a month or two ago. I just haven't gotten around to opening it. I've been pretty busy, so I'm finally opening it now. This is Pop Culture Mix, well, the M case. So I think this is Mix like 6 for 2025. We're going to go through this and just see. You've probably seen this in the store, come and go. If you haven't, this may be new to you. I never even found this case in the store, so I'm glad to finally be getting the cars in this case. All right, first ones out of the case is Snoopy. Snoopy returns in Pop Culture. The metal doghouse, Real Rider tires, pretty crazy. And Snoopy is riding on top as well. Got the little Peanuts logo of Snoopy, the Red Baron logo there. But this is very cool design. We've seen this one for a number of years. It's been in pop culture. It's been in the main line. And just a cool casting. All right. We'll move on from that, though. And we'll get into, hey, another version of the 66 TV series Batmobile. The TV series Batmobile, 1966 TV series. So this one is, well, it's appeared several times in pop culture before, and now we're finally seeing it in a metal flake blue, like a deep metal flake blue with these Real Rider 5-spoke modern wheels on them. So it's kind of cool. I've quite the collection of these 66 TV Batmobiles, and every time it's released just a little different. So it's always fun to see in what ways it's different from the previous, or from the several other times it's been released, or many times it's been released. But pop culture. Again, thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. I appreciate you, One Stop Diecast, for supporting the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeTrackDiecast.com and our case reports. All right, next one out of the case. We just passed Christmas. It is the Nightmare Before Christmas Citroen Type H. So we see the Citroen Type H return again. And I think we've only seen like 2 decos of this one before. This is probably the third. The Jack Skellington on top. Very cool deco, actually. The purple, the Real Rider 8-spoke wheels look great on this one. Citroen Type H. I'm actually a really big fan of this truck. I think it's really cool. I don't know if I've ever seen one in real life, but it just kind of has a really cool pattern to it. The front end looks really cool. The Citroen logo right straight in center. And then the back is kind of cool with the big opening. I'm not sure what it's for or anything like that. But very cool version of this one in pop culture. Again, it's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas. All right. Next one out of the case. So this one was, I guess, a new model. I've been slacking on my new models list on OrangeTrackDiecast.com, getting all the photographs of that taken, which has been crazy busy, especially with the holidays and stuff. But here is one of the new models from, well, that should be on that list. Well, it is on the list. It should have pictures of it. It will now. The Airwolf helicopter from the TV show Airwolf. Never saw it, but it was a popular show at one point. I don't know, like, what generation. I think Airwolf was like an 80s show, if I'm not mistaken. Should do my research, but very cool helicopter. Nonetheless, we've seen a number of like kind of these like pop culture flight, like we've seen like the jets from like Top Gun, from G.I. Joe, and we get really cool, like these are really cool, like air vehicles, whatever you want to call them. So I mean, if you're into aviation, stuff like that, these are pretty cool to have just on their stands and on your shelf or whatnot. So Airwolf helicopter, nice black deco there, black top, gray bottom. Last one on the case is the other new model in this case. It is the Quadra Turbo R VTEC. So it is a car from the game Cyberpunk 2077. And it is, I mean, it's nice. It's just, we've actually seen the Porsche was 930 from Cyberpunk before. Now we're getting a completely new casting man, it's just, yeah, it's wild. It's a really wide body on this thing. And you get the double quad exhaust in the back bumper ripped off, deep wheels on the on the back here, some arrows on the front, some cool futuristic things on the hood and stuff like that. But regardless, brand new casting. Always good to have this one in my collection and on the list on OrangeTruckDiecast.com. So look at the base. Base actually says CD Pro. Oh, that must be who owns the rights to the video game, because the Quadra Turbo R VTEC is on the bottom. So great case. Thanks again to One Stop Diecast for sending this over. That was this is the M case. So if you're still seeing it at retail, you're seeing pop culture appearing, this is what you're looking for in the M case. As always, thank you for watching. I got the N case 2026 coming up next for you. Keep an eye on the channel. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, do your thing.